welcome back to my channel. I have a different kind of vlog for you today. I actually filmed it last week on the GoPro when I went surfing in Holland with my shortboard, which is very different than the longboard that I used in France the week that I was there. Actually, the audio from that vlog was obviously really bad because I filmed it on the GoPro, and the GoPro is in a little waterproof cover, so it was completely encapsulated, so the sound was horrible. I should have known. But I really wanted to share the images with you because they're quite real and quite me. So I'm gonna talk you through this in this way. And if you see my mouth moving in the videos and you're not hearing any sound, that's because you basically only heard the waves or nothing. So I'm sorry about that. I hope you enjoy this video anyway. Just waiting for the set on the sandbank so I don't get smashed while I try to paddle out. Once I got to the back, which means behind where the waves are breaking, and where you wait until a really nice set comes and you catch the waves while it breaks, I noticed that the tide had come in too much already, so the waves weren't breaking as much. So actually I didn't catch many waves, so you'll see me paddling a lot and not catching much. And the waves that I did catch, I completely bombed, as you can see here. After about 40 minutes, I decided to head in, go back to the beach, and did some yoga there. As you can see, this sand is really thick and fluffy, so it made moving a little bit harder. But I did manage to hold a nice handstand and practice a few poses. So, have you ever surfed before? Tell me that. Have you tried? Have you seen someone surfing? Do you know how hard it is? Are you thinking I'm horribly bad? But for me, surfing is all about fun and being in the ocean, connecting with nature and with yourself and with your breath. For me, a session isn't failed if I didn't catch any amazing waves. It's not about the result. It's about the journey. Oh God, that's so spiritual. Ooh, one more thing. I almost forgot. The top that I'm wearing is by Monique Rotteveel, who's a Dutch designer who makes yoga surf clothes. It's a really, really nice material. It's made from recycled water bottles, and she actually donates 1% of her profits to good causes as well. So she's really eco-conscious, which I love. And the bra is awesome. It comes up really high, as you can see, so it's really good for yoga as well when you do inversions. My boobs tend to fall out if the top is a bit lower, and that doesn't happen in this outfit. So I'll link her website below. If you use my code ROSE15, ROOS 15, you'll get a discount, so check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with the next one. Bye! Was coming and this so what else do I want to say really badly right now? Dankjewel!